First off, it's about to start raining. It's pollen season. What up, dope people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E. As you can see from the thumbnail, this is another update on the donation Monte Carlo and the donation Honda Civic, people. Just a little update. I've been working on both these cars off camera since the last video of said donation Monte Carlo engine, doing the transmission. Well, I'll let y'all know about all that. And the little donation Honda Civic, because I've been awfully busy. I'm awfully sick. Got a lot of doctor's appointments. But that's for me to know and y'all to try to find out. So let's go jump on over here and see what we got going on. First off, it's about to start raining. It's pollen season. And I don't have a paint booth. And that's it for that car. So here's the donation Monte Carlo. As said, I've been working on her off camera. And look what we got here. We got the motor and trans all installed. On this one, we got new shocks installed. New hub assembly installed. I don't know where the doors unlocked. She's still not finished. Still got to do body and paint. Because I'm still trying to perfect my painting skills. There you go. She's running. She does move on her own power now. Go forward and backwards with no issues. The instrument cluster says 158,000 miles because that's what's on the motor. I did swap out instrument clusters from the other car that we took the motor out of. Transmissions out the donor pedal Monte Carlo with 125,000 miles on it. All the gauges work, radio work, everything works. Still need a windshield, still need paint. But that's a little update on this car. She does run. She goes into gear. She moves forward. Oh, almost messed up that car. She goes forward and backwards with ease. And the door almost took off by side view mirror. But I didn't go that far back. Whoopsie. She does have new tail lights for her. And like I said, I gotta do the body and paint where they, y'all know, if y'all new to this channel, go check out the donation Monte Carlo videos. If you're not, y'all know what it is. Only thing this car won't have is cold AC because the AC compressor doesn't work, and I use the AC compressor out of the donor car. Figured that one would work because it had less miles, because I know the one that was already in this car didn't work. So, it is what it is. Now off to the Honda Civic. She's got a fresh new coat of paint. I've been wet sanding her down with 1500, 2000, 2500. Because like I said, it's pollen season. And I was painting her in the garage with the garage door open. And right when I'm about to finish, all the pollen started coming into the garage and flying in the paint. And I do have runs because I'm not a professional. I'm still trying to figure out this painting car thing. I can use rattle can, but for the gun, it's just too much come out. But like I said, I done wet sanded all this down and buffed and waxed. Wet sanded it all down, buffed and waxed. Yeah, if y'all can tell the difference, I don't know, because I didn't do nothing back here yet. Gotta do the top. I did the deck lid first to see how it would come out before I even attempting to do the rest of the car. Because this channel is a learning channel. We all learn together. I put the badging back on there. Still got a wet sand this side and buff and wax. Because got paint run there. Another paint run right there. Don't know how. Another paint run right there. Right, so every part of this car had a paint run. Both doors and the deck lid. The hood didn't have no paint runs. The top don't got no paint runs. Only get paint runs when the paint can run straight down. On a paint run right there. And a little paint run on the hood. Don't know how, but I guess that's the way the cookie crumbles. But I wet sand, like I said, I wet sanded the hood and this side of the car and the deck lid with 1,500, 2,000, 2,500. Let them come back and do the roof and this side of the car. So before I go, I did some more work. Because obviously she's missing the front bumper, rear bumper, and both the fenders. And that's where we turn into the garage. I didn't want to do another painting video. So we just finished up painting the front bumper, the rear bumper, and both the brand new fenders from Amazon. And as always, I'm learning how to fix my paint runs. Before I get a paint run, then I got another paint run. On my YouTube channel, use tape. And you can pretty much put your tape on there and pull the runs off and hit it with another coat. And if you don't have no run, and that worked. Because I don't have no run right here. It was a run right here, and it's all gone. But now I got another run here, which I don't mind. Another run down there. And on here, it was a run in here too. Use the tape method, but then I got another run over here. So like I said, it is what it is. I'm trying my best over here. But I am bringing these cars back to life. I'm not really a body person. I'm more into the mechanical things of cars. But I'm trying to be an overall person. So I don't got to take these cars to the Mako and get the $2.99 paint jobs. I can do a $2.99 paint job myself. Truth be told, because this is a $2.99 paint job. Paint runs, overspray. But I would not have overspray. I don't never have overspray. But I do get paint runs, and I know how to buff and wax and sand them down anyway. So ain't no biggie. So, like I said, this is like a little short update on what's going on around Easy E's Rebuilds neighborhood. So I got to get ready and go. Been doing a lot of stuff off camera. Haven't been making no videos. So if you would, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing on these donation cars. Because I do put a lot of money into donation cars. More than I put into Cobalt cars. At least I know Cobalt cars was on the road running. These cars been sitting for a long time. I know the donation Honda Civic was sitting for a year. But the Monte Carlo SS was still being driven. When it was drove to my house and dropped off, and she sat over here for over a year, trying to find the motor, trying to find the transmission, and all the other parts. So, share this video if you would with your friends, family, co-workers on your social media. It'll all be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. You can go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to see what's going on before I even release a video. Because I'm backlogged anyway. So just in case I can't release no videos because I got other things to do. And go copy some merch at teespring.com if you want to help support this channel with these builds. We take Cash App donations that help with these builds. and we take donations of cars, which really don't help with these bills because I got to pour more money into them. I'm looking at more cars right now that need more work, that people just want to get rid of them for the low, but they won't be donations. But trying to see if it's worth paying all this money for these cars and have to pull motors out and put motors in, do transmissions, and still have to do body work. Because Copart cars, I just do body work. They all run dry. But y'all let me know in the comment section below what you'll do. It's all links in the comments. It's all links in the description area below, so y'all can go check it out. With all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces.